going to stuff peppers today, so the first thing we're going to do is gather all our ingredients, and here they are. And we're going to take these and get started. Now the next thing we're going to do before we do any mixing of the stuffed peppers is we're going to go ahead and mix the quick tomato sauce. Our herbs and spices are already in the bowl, and we're putting the canned product in there right now. Now this is a sauce that the flavor will actually cook with the stuffed peppers. Now we're going to take our rice and put it in there. We're going to put 3 ounces. This is the tomato sauce we just made. And we're going to put all our herbs and spices. Mix it as much as you need. You really don't want to over mix. That's good enough. Set that to the side. Now our peppers, we're going to take our peppers and we're going to go lengthwise. And that's sort of good enough for me. But I'm going to take a little bit from the bottom, and that's okay. And we're going to do the rest of the peppers like this. And after you cut the peppers, make sure you clean out the membrane as much as you can. And of course you take out the core, the seed core. Now before you do anything, make sure that your peppers fit in the container you're going to cook them in. Now for this part, you might want to use a scoop or a spoon, but basically I use my hands. Now we're going to just ladle some tomato sauce over. We're going to leave a little tomato sauce for the cheese. Now what I always do is use a sheet of wax paper. You can go straight with foil, but sometimes the foil, and put the shiny side down, sometimes the foil will begin to erode into the food that you cook if it's touching, especially if it's very acidic. And now we're going to put this in the oven. Okay, I'm pulling it out of the oven now. Ooh, oh juicy, I lost some of the juice right there. Oh, this looks good. I'm gonna put an easy read thermometer on it. That's 160. That's 160. That's 160. So now we'll top it and put it back in the oven uncovered for 10 minutes. And we're going to place them in the oven uncovered for 10 minutes. Okay, we're pulling this out of the oven, and there you have it. Stuffed peppers. We're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes, then we'll plate one up. Okay. Put that right there. So I have a little bit of cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. And just a little bit of the sauce around. And that's it, folks. Stuffed pepper.